everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a shared drive in Google Drive. So first things first, you have to go to your Google Drive, tap on the 9 dots here beside your Google account, go to Drive, and then what you're going to do is you have to create new folder right here, tap on Drive again, and then what you're going to do next is you have to right click in order for you to create new folder. You can just tap anywhere here, right click, new folder, and then create a title or name of your folder right here. So basically, this is my new folder. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open this new folder and I'm going to upload that file, for example. Now I'm going to tap on the name, tap on share, and then this time once you tap this, then you can just basically see people with access. You have to tap on this one, and then here you can add or invite someone to have access to this file, and also you can filter them. If you want them to be an editor, then they can download this one. If you want them as a viewer or just commenter, everything is up to you. So you can basically add their email address right here and then tap on send. You can also add message here, but this one is optional. Tap on send, then they will be notified with this. You can also copy the link and then paste it anywhere you wish. For general access, you can set this to restricted, anyone with a link. So if anyone has forget this link, then basically they can open this folder. So that's how easy it is to make a shared drive in Google Drive.